Hi guys, today I am painting on small canvas board. So this is the canvas board. Here I am using brushes, colors, tissue paper, glass. So these are different type of brushes with different sizes. So I am using artistic acrylic colors. So let's start painting. First I am drawing a rough sketch. Here I am making trees and pond. Now let us mix the color. Here I am taking white color and gold color and mixing it. Now applying this on canvas. So let us apply here slowly. So let us apply between the trees. Now again I am mixing the colors and blending, applying little dark color. Around it, slowly color it. Later we can blend both colors. Now mix white sienna and yellow ochre color and draw lines as trees. It may look messy now, later it will look good. Now let's paint leaves. Take flat brush and just touch like this. Now I am drawing darker lines of trees. Apply pressure on brush. Slowly paint. Mix brown black and draw trees. So like this, paint dark trees. Also draw branches. Also draw reflection in the pond. I am making trees bigger. So these are the reflection of trees in water. So I am using hair dryer to dry painting. So using black and brown, I am painting land. It took 3 hours for me to paint. Using this flat brush, I am painting grass. As you can see, painting looks beautiful. Now I am painting detailing on stones. White, yellow, sienna, mix color and put dots. It will give 3D stone look. For 3D look on tree, I am using sienna color on trees. Color names are mentioned on tubes. I am giving final touch-ups. So painting is almost finished. Now I am again painting grass. So it looks like 3D. Also paint grass on reflection. Painting is finished. So this is the final result. This is how painting looks. Comment below if you like it. Let's see old paintings. This was made by my brother. I made this using watercolor. This is also watercolor. Day and night effect. This painting was made 3 years back using watercolors. This is acrylic painting on big canvas board. I made this yesterday. It took me 4 hours to make this painting. I use acrylic colors. So this is today's painting. Took me 3 hours. So these are the acrylic color used. This is a watercolor painting. This was made by my brother using watercolors. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe.